Hello everyone. Today I will show you how I make a raised garden bed for spring sowing. First, I put cardboard to keep the moisture from rotting the wood later. Then I put in the branches. They can be rough and small. Smaller ones will rot faster, so I put in small ones. Then I put a piece of wood that is already half rotten to further increase the spread of rot. Then rotten leaves and borders. When I have everything nicely aligned, I pour water on the leaves so that they get moisture and the wood begins to rot from the moisture. Now I'm going to show you a natural treasure for a raised bed. This is the rotten leaves of branches that are many years old, which turned into humus and is an excellent fertilizer. Now, I'm going to mix a little humus and a little soil to make a mix that I'll distribute later on in the boxes. I use this earth. This is a natural fertilizer. Here I throw everything that remains from fruits, vegetables, and everything that can be decomposed. Also, wood ash. All this has been mixed for years, and an excellent soil for a raised bed has been made. I take a little soil and a little humus and mix it with each other. Just look at this structure. Who knows how many years this was collected there and made excellent hummus. Now we mix it well, and it is ready to be poured into boxes. You don't need the top layer with a lot of leaves, 80% soil, and the rest humus in a little leaf. Now I water it well so that everything absorbs the moisture, and in a couple of weeks it is ready for sowing. At the end, I add fine soil, which is the best for planting. This is how I make my raised bed for spring sowing. If you want to try it, everything always grows beautifully for me. Write in the comments how you make it.